What I have here today, October 21st, 2024, Monday. This is a Bun Special video, written and directed by Bun Special, graphics by Bun Special, stunts by Bun Special, handcrafted with highest ingredients, sound effects by Bun Special. Oh, that's the wrong paper. This is the one I wanted. This video is performed by an amateur. Do not attempt it at home. No watches were harmed in making this video, for entertainment only. I don't know. Oh, here is the pivoted detent. I took it apart, yeah, okay, and then I cleaned it. I have a jar of naphtha. I don't have a machine. I use a toothpick to do all the jewels and openings for the pivots. That's the way I do it. I don't do this enough to get a machine, but it would make life easy. Anyway, so let's see if I can put this together. Oh god, it's gonna be a pain. Everything is a pain. Let's see. Oh man, where are my tweezers? There we go. Okay, so there was I like the way they did this one. They got the cap jewels in this little piece here. I can zoom in a little bit more. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Anyway, the cap jewels are all in this one piece. Oh man, this is a pain to pick up. That side is the bottom. Now how does it go in? It goes in like this. So I'm going to put some oil. Well, that's bent. Did I do that? Damn it. I don't know. I don't think I did that. That's bent. Oh, that stinks. Did I do that? How did I do that? Damn. Look at that. That's not good. Ah, crap. It's bent. Did I do that? I don't think I did that because I didn't handle it. I didn't handle it roughly. I'm tempted to bend it back. I'm going to see what happens. I'm not going to bend it back. Damn. Ah, crap. Let's see what happens. How did that get bent? I didn't pick it up roughly. First I'm going to do is I'm going to put some oil. Oh, I'm going to put some oil on these jewels. I can't see them with this magnification. Let's see. Everything's going to be in the way. If it's not in the way, it's not located properly. That's what you must remember. Well, I do remember when I was screwing it. Let's see, some more oil. Whoops. And some more. I use 2 fingers. Okay. Yeah, I mean, that would do it better if I didn't do this on camera. That's all I can say. I would definitely do a better job if it wasn't for doing it on camera. I don't know how that got bent. Because oh, yeah, there you go. Yeah. I think that's the way it was, because I remember that when I was one of these screws, I think it was this screw. Yeah, this screw was, half the head was gone. And so I had to look around for another screw And it took me a while, but I found one that fit. You know, I found one that fit, but it wasn't as long as the original. But what can you do? A while ago years ago, I bought a whole mess of miscellaneous screws. So that's where I found the screw, was in the miscellaneous screws. So it's like a new production screw. Oh, this is gonna be a pain. Because I have to reach around the camera. That's why it's a pain. I got too much crap around me. Too much crap. I like to steady it with my other hand. Okay, well, I got that one in. That went better than I thought. And this was the screw. This other screw. This is the screw I had to look for if I can pick the damn thing up. It's so freaking tiny. It's so freaking tiny. I'm switching eyes. Switching magnifications, as I say. Let's see if I can do this one. I gotta use two hands again. Yeah, it's not as long, but it does take several turns to get it in. Let's make sure it's tight. I don't want to strip it though. Yeah, it looks tight. Where's the slot on that one? Yeah, that's tight. Okay. Oh man. What's next? Let's see. I'm gonna take this and put it someplace else. Let's work on some other stuff now. Right now I'm basically assembling the I'm putting all the caps on, all the cap jewels on. I had to take all the cap jewels off. You know, where's the Rodico, baby? Give me some Rodico. Oh, I had a big hunk of it. Damn it, where'd it go? Oh, I can't find it. Oh, man. Where's my Rodico? Oh, where's the Rodico? Oh, come on, Rodico. I found it. I found the Rodico. I had a big hunk laying around, but I'll have to take some more. Rodico? Rodico? Give me a hunk of this glorious stuff. Oh, yeah. It's like, reminds me of Play-Doh when I was a kid. That was that tan-colored stuff. There you go. Now you're not going to move on me, you bastard. You're not going to shimmy. You're not going to shake. You're going to stay where I put you. You bastard. Oh, wait. There's the cap. The cap is... Oh. Is the cap upside down? Yeah, the cap is... Oh, I got to change the eyes. Oh, man. I have to tilt it. There you go. I switch back. Let's see if I can pick this up. No, it's gonna be a pain in the ass. This was a pain in the ass too. I think it's got like... Oh wait, now we rotate this. Is it on the camera? Oh, I think I got it. Oh no, it's not. There you go. Oh, these screws are so freaking small. You understand? Oh, they're so freaking small. Oh, let's see if I can do this. What kind of grief am I going to get today? Oh, it's off by a mile. Okay. Oh, it moves. I gotta get a smaller screwdriver. Those look like gold alloy jewel settings. And those suckers, they scratch real easy. Would I use the tweezers? Yeah. Oh yeah, oops. I think that's it. Oh God, okay. I put that. I got everything in individual trays. Oh no, individual cup bottoms. That way I don't mix anything up. Nothing will get mixed up. Oh, and the jewels in there. It looks like it's upside down. I get some... Oh, switch eyes. Let's see. There you go. Switch eyes. Let's see if I can get this one. This one is the... Maybe I should get better tweezers. Wait, I got tweezers. Where'd the tweezers go? There they are. Maybe I got finer tip tweezers. I got letters and numbers on them, but I don't know what the hell any of that means. Let's try this one. Say number 5. Oh, come on, come out of the package. Oh, get in there. It doesn't want to go. These are the tweezer set of 5. I saved all the packaging. Okay, so let's see. Let's see, maybe these will be better. No. Well. Okay. Ah, damn it! It flipped over on me. Oh well, that's bound to happen. Oh well. Let's see what happened to the oil. Ah, flipped over again. What's the oil doing? Well, it's still there. Okay. Let's see if I can do it. Wait. What am I doing? What am I doing? I got the Rodico. Give me some Rodico. What am I doing? Why am I killing myself when I got the Rodico? Yeah, Rodico. Look at that. Rodico to the rescue. You know what they say? You don't work harder. You work smarter. Let's see if we get this. Yeah, Rodico. Gotta love me that Rodico. Let's move this. Oh, it doesn't move because it's stuck. Oh, come on. Oh, it came off. Son of a bitch. I'm not working smarter, am I? Just not working smarter. God damn, why is it sticking? Oh, because there's Rodico on there. Just a little piece of Rodico. Oh, where's the little screw? Where's the little screw? There it is. That's a little bit of Rodico. God damn, those screws are tiny. Oh man, they're so tiny. Oh, they're so tiny. Oh, they just... We gotta relax. Oh, it's magnetic. Why do you have to be? I have to demagnetize. Oh, it's magnetic. It just doesn't want to go in. Oh, come on. It just doesn't want to go in. It just doesn't want to go in. This is so hard because I'm doing it on camera. Oh, I think I got it. It just doesn't want to go in. How come it's not screwing in anymore? Yeah, it's a combination of the slots in the screws are like very shallow and the edges are tapered. Look at that, I pushed it all the way in. Okay, that's 2 down. What else do I have? This is going to be a tough one. There's the freaking balance one. This one's going to be tough. Oh, it's going to be a pain in my ass. Oh, every time I pick it up. It's tapered. Do you understand? It's tapered. It's freaking tapered. I'm going to do it on the Road Eco. Wait. It goes this way. And the taper is such that... Oh, this is going to be a real pain in my ass. This one's going to be a real pain in the ass. Oh, I'm going to dread this. I got some oil on it. Oh, this one's going to suck so much. This one's going to suck so much. Oh, it's going to suck so much. Oh. Everything fights. If it ain't fighting, you're just not doing it right. Oh, I gotta orient it. I gotta orient it. Damn it. Let's see, like this. Let's see if we can do it on the Road Eco. Oh, this is gonna be a pain in my ass. This is gonna be a pain in the ass. Oh man, this is gonna be a pain in my ass. Oh, this is gonna be a big pain in the ass. Oh, this is gonna suck. This is gonna suck supreme. It's gonna suck so bad. Yeah, keep on hitting stuff. You gotta move everything out of the way so I don't knock into it. Oh, this is gonna suck. Oh boy, is this gonna suck. I can't even see. Now I can see. Oh. Oh, this is gonna suck so bad. Oh, it's gonna suck so bad. gonna be sucky suck suck. This fucking tiny ass screws. Oh, good you're seeing this, because let me move the camera a little bit. Let me move this over here so I don't knock it over. Oh, this is gonna suck so bad. Oh, I think I got it. Yeah, that's one down. Oh, I love that Rodico. Rodico? Rodico? Let's see. Let's see. Get it out of the way, else I'm gonna knock it over. Let's see, let's see, let's see. I did put oil on that, good. Oh, it doesn't want to turn. Oh, the screwdriver keeps on sliding out. Because it's at an angle. Wait, let's see. Let's lift it off the Rodico. And what about this one? I think that's as tight as it goes. Yeah, it doesn't want to go anymore. Oh, I think I did it. What does it look like? Yeah, it looks like it's on. Where's the container? Okay. I think I did all the caps. Damn it. Didn't want that to do that. Oh, damn it. No, it's upside down. Good. I thought it was landing on the guide pins. I just knocked something over. I just knocked the Rodico over. Damn it. I gotta treat Rodico with respect. Okay, I think I got all the caps on. Let's see. Yeah, that was the caps. Oh, this stuff is so great. Rodico. Rodico. Rodico Drive? Rodico Drive. What's next? Oops. Let's see if we can... I'm gonna run out of... You know, why does it move? I'm gonna run out of time, so... I'm gonna run out of time. Okay. Now we go to here. Yeah, see, this is the mainspring barrel, whatever. I never figured out how to take that apart. I tried unscrewing it because it had those two holes in the barrel arbor, but it didn't move and I wasn't going to force it. So I just cleaned it up the best I could, and I put some oil in the mainspring and I shoved the mainspring back in. And that's that. Man, I couldn't... I gotta do some research. Maybe someone knows how to get that apart. But I did not figure that out. And I'm not gonna force it because I don't want it to break. So if I figure it out, then I just take it apart and put it together correctly. Or oil it correctly. I shoved some oil in the side. I took a stapler and a staple. I took a staple and I bent it at 90 degrees and I put some oil on it and I shoved some oil in there. How does this go together? Damn. Oh, I forget. I think that one goes there. I think this one goes here. I'm not sure anymore. This is the fourth wheel, so I think the fourth wheel goes there. And this one... See, I looked at the video of me taking it apart to see in what order the wheels go. Oh, why? Oh, why do you fight so much? Wait. Huh. Maybe this one goes here? No, this one has to go here. Do I have any other wheels? No, that's it. Well, how come... This has to go here. But it's hitting the... It's hitting the mainspring. But that's hitting the mainspring barrel. Oh no, what is it? Yeah, it's hitting it. What the? Oh, that doesn't even match up. Wait a minute. Maybe that goes... Oh no, I can't get this off. Oh, it pisses me off. You lift one end up and then the other end goes down, you son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. Why do you... Oh, I know, I can't get it off. Come on, why does it give me grief? Maybe this goes underneath. This has to go here. Ugh. Maybe this goes... Now this goes, maybe. Ugh. No. What the heck is going on? What the heck is going on? I don't have any more wheels. That's the escape wheel. How come that doesn't go right? What am I doing wrong? This is the fourth wheel. It has to go. It doesn't fit there. What the hell? What the hell is going on? What the hell is going on? I don't believe this nonsense. But it's touching. It's touching the barrel. What am I doing wrong? Why? Why is it like this? Oh man, why is it like this? This goes here. This one has to go here, but... Oh, wait, what is going on? What is going on? Oh, maybe I'm putting it upside down. Damn it. Yeah, I'm putting it in upside down. Idiot. That's why it wouldn't go in right. There you go. That's how it goes. See? Oh, I see now. Don't force it. Don't force it. Do not force it. Do not force it. Damn, I don't even know which one is which. Does this one go here? I don't even know which is which. This one I know. I'm gonna run out of time. Oh, what'd I forget? Oh, this goes this way. Oh, why? Oh, why does it fight? I don't even know. Maybe this one goes here. I don't even know. How are they even marked? Where's the roadie co? These bastards don't want to cooperate. Oh man. That one must go there. Oh, I'm gonna run out of time. That one goes there. Okay. They don't even touch. What is going on? Oh, I gotta use the wrong magnification. Oh, man, this is more of a pain in the ass than I thought it would be. You know? Just... Oh, this wheel... It's fighting me. Oh. I'm almost out of time. I gotta get up and parcel. Oh, that's why it's not even in. There you go, you bastard. You friggin' bastard. Okay, son of a bitch. What a pain in my ass. I do this for relaxation. I get so much calmness doing this. Puts me right to sleep. It's so relaxing. Hey, that one. Oh. I'm gonna probably have to stop the camera soon. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stop the camera soon, or it's just gonna die. No, it's not gonna die. It's just gonna run out of time. You know. See, now I'm starting to rush. Because I'm running out of time. Oh, I'm running out of time. And where's the other screw? I'm missing a screw. How am I missing a screw? No. No, I'm missing a screw. How could I be missing a screw? There's another screw. Let's see. Oh, let's see what happens. Oh, a few more minutes and then the camera dies. Let's see what happens. Well, that one's tight. No, I'm gonna put that one there. Is this on the camera? Ooh, I didn't like the way that wiggled. Okay, it's still good. I tested my train. This one was tight. I'm gonna have to stop this soon because I'm gonna run out of memory.